In this video, I am going to show you how to watch MLB games during your YouTube TV free trial. If you're a baseball fan looking to stream live games, this guide will help you make the most of your trial period. Let's get started. To watch MLB games on YouTube TV, start by signing up for a free trial at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. YouTube TV includes sports networks like ESPN, Fox Sports, and MLB Network in select markets, which broadcast live MLB games. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in and browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch. Use the cloud DVR feature to record games and watch them later if you can't catch them live. If this video helped you learn how to watch MLB games during your YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.